it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another wig review. This video is also in collaboration with Augusta Beauty Outlet, one of the largest beauty supply stores in the Augusta area, located off Peach Orchard Road. If you don't live in the Augusta area, never fear. Augusta Beauty Outlet also has a Facebook page. Just let them know that Kiani sent you. But without further ado, this video is actually going to be kind of a compilation video, almost like a lookbook. I just want to let you guys see some of the units that I'll be wearing this fall season. I'm super excited that the weather is getting a little bit cooler, which means that these long lengths in units, they're very on trend. All of the superstars are wearing them right now, but these units are definitely going to be very budget conscious, and you know, if you take care of them, you're going to have them to get you all the way through the fall, winter, holiday season. Okay, so without further ado, if you're interested in seeing my fall lookbook, just keep on watching. So first we have to talk about this unit right here, honey. She is causing for a standing ovation. An ovation, honey. Can you see all of these links? She is making me stand all the way up because she is all the way down to the back. She is definitely going to be about 42 inches. And honey, wait. Yes, Beyonce moment. Yes! Yes, coming in at under $50 from Augusta Beauty Outlet. I have no idea where I put the stock card, but what I will tell you as far as wig construction, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and she does come with an adjustable strap. With this unit, I didn't have to cut any lace. This unit is made by the brand Mayde. It is an invisible lace, and like I mentioned, she does come all the way down to the butt, so I could almost not wear a top and you not really even care. But because I don't want to scare you guys, but just know, honey, this unit main claim to fame, if you're looking for those long inches, Mayde and Augusta Beauty Outlet have you covered. Next up, we have this beautiful unit right here. Honey, yes, she is giving me total bombshell even in the winter time. This is what your stock card is going to look like. This is the V-shaped lace front EV004 style in the color OT613. That brand is by Model. I am totally obsessed with this unit as far as wig construction. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and of course another important adjustable strap. As far as the lace on this unit, I did have to cut the lace. She is a lace front unit, and after that there was no more manipulation that needed to be done with this unit. So it's honestly, you're cutting the lace off and putting her on and rocking it. I didn't even comb this unit out because I want you guys to see how detailed the wave pattern is, or the curls. It kind of reminds you of what crimps would look like with a little bit more definition. And again, the coloring on this unit is spectacular. She's going to give you right below the bum. So I'm going to say this unit is probably about maybe 34-35 inches. So again, I'm 5'1" and or maybe even 5 feet tall, but mainly I am obsessed with the coloring. I'm obsessed with the texture, and this one to me is very everyday wear for me. It's a little bit thicker, which means she's going to act as a shield from the cold weather. I don't have to worry about curling it. I think this one is great to wear with sweaters and such. She's not going to get tangled because there's so much density, but not too much. The coloring is absolutely spectacular. I do believe with this unit, I took her straight off the unit. There were several other colors, but I wanted this 613 and I didn't want to leave the store without it. So yeah, so this is how she's holding up. Again, let's do a quick spin and a little sway from a girl so you guys can see if you're needing this unit. I am definitely giving her 2 thumbs up. And last up, we had to throw in one more unit that's giving you a little bit of color variation for fall. I'll do a quick twirl for you. This unit comes in so many different colors, especially that on-trend silver shade. I really wasn't ready to go gray just yet, if you know what I'm saying. So we got really close, and we're sticking in this beautiful cotton candy rose gold color. Here's the stock card. This unit is by Tru Wig. She's a Swiss lace front wig, 100% heat retardant fiber, and the shade that I'm wearing is TT4 Pastel Pink. Again, another extremely long unit, but unlike the unit I had on previously, the fibers in this unit are extremely soft. I think perfect for winter. Totally a little bit softer than the other one. I think it's going to be great again if you have kind of an off the shoulder type top as what I'm wearing now. She's going to create a little bit of warmth around the neck area, but the fabric is a little bit softer, so I probably wouldn't suggest wearing her with a sweater or something that has a lot of fabric that's going to grab it, if you know what I'm saying. Only because she's super duper soft, so you want to kind of get away from having any static in the hair. So just wearing something that's going to be a little bit more skin framing, I think it's perfect for this unit. Again, perfect for this time of year when you want them to stay a little bit warmer. As far as the combs, there are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and of course this unit is a Swiss lace. Extremely soft. I'm not even gluing any of these units down. I'm simply putting them on and taking them off, putting them on, taking them off, like they're not grabbing, and I am completely obsessed with this unit as well. Again, big thanks to Augusta Beauty Outlet for sponsoring these videos for your review. Make sure you check the link in the description box to purchase your very own. Also, comment down below on which unit in this lookbook was your favorite, which one are you going to have to run out and purchase, and what color will you be purchasing that unit in. You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also, click that bell for post notifications every time I upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.